Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics with an important announcement for our Prairie Days Block of the Month. You guys have loved that one. You are signed up and we are going to have the program. Just Moda has let us know the fabric is shipping inbound to them later than expected. So you know what that means. We're also going to be receiving that later than expected. And so your spot is secure. I want to reassure you that, but just let you know that we'll be starting this in late November, early December. Basically, when this fabric lands at Shabby Fabrics and it arrives, we're going to be tearing open those boxes and just start cutting as fast as we can. But of course, we want to be very accurate and make sure everything's perfect for you. Of course, all your laser shapes as well. So what we've decided to do, because it's kind of a bummer when things start later than expected, what we're going to do though, because I've already filmed the supporting videos on that, Anne was very kind to let us borrow her quilt. So I filmed all of those supporting videos while we had the quilt. We're going to be able to release those videos on time in November. You're able to watch that. And we know that you won't have your kit yet, your block kit yet. But what that will do is get you just all that much more ready to go when your block does arrive. You'll be seeing me use things like the light box and one or both of those applique pressing mats along with the layout diagram to pre-assemble those units and bring them onto the background. There's other video doing hand embroidery and just things that maybe you're like, hey, you know what? I really like that combination. I'm gonna go ahead and grab that, or whatever I might be demonstrating that'll allow you time to get that purchase. We have time to ship it to you. So when your block kits arrive, your block kit arrives, your first one, you already have all the things you need. So we wish that thing was coming on time. We tried to fly in the fabric. We've tried every trick we know. Right now, we just have to be patient. We think it's worth the wait. Hey, if that timing is not going to work for you for some reason, we have a long waiting list of people that really want to get in this program. Just give our Block of the Month team an email, BOM@shabbyfabrics.com. You can certainly give them a call as well. But I'd love to encourage you to hang in there. We're going to get your fabric. We will be putting those block kits together and we will be shipping that kit just as soon as we can, that block kit. So thanks again for being a part of this program and much more coming your way. We hope that all of these fabric manufacturers can get back on schedule. COVID's been so hard, so brutal with schedules. And we know they're working really hard to get this fabric for us just as quickly as they can. So thanks for giving me a couple minutes of your day, and I'll see you soon on another video.